Start RBM Calculator by double-clicking on that RBM Calculator icon. And let's use that modeler. So the very easy part, go to the custom palette on the right and click on Run DB. This is the smart button going to case 2 in folder ABC and loads that model. That model has 2 dimensions, it automatically also loads one with 3 dimensions, customer, product, activity. Just focus on the one with customer and product as a dimension. Okay, now let's open macro and look for 2-step profit increase. So let's open this and click on the data with the 2 dimensions. One can see when this is getting blue. And then click on execute on the macro. Now as a result of this, the new data DB is opening, which was treated by our potentializer technology. For now, let's hide the data DB with 3 dimensions. Clicking on the data DB with 2 dimensions and press the button whale curve. Now you can see on the shape of the whale curve. What's it all about? It's a kind of a fingerprint for that particular dimension for that period and the dimension customer. I'm guessing around 30% of the customers are unprofitable. But we don't have to guess. We can look it up. Here you go, you see 71% accumulated customers up to that point. As guessed, around 30% killing your profitability. Those are the very bad guys, you won't get rid of them, or at least to better understand them. Now by clicking on the whale curve for the new data DB treated by the 2-step profit increase, one can see the whale curve shape is very different. Here we continue to grow profitability across all customers and not as in the status quo case. But you won't get there but into that direction. You can expect when following the necessary changes which can be simulated that you improve your overall profit by 30%. On the status quo whale curve, as you can see, you are very depending on those guessed 20%. Okay, clicking on the green-blue cut point you can display that 20% of all customers generate almost 140% of the total result, aka EBIT. This is just a small exercise and I think you get the picture. Thank you for watching.